I have to get this beauty. There's some metal flake in there. I love the tack. Full roll bar, no back seat. Nice. Oh, I gotta see if I can get, yes I can. Can you see the center console? The bottle, I'm sorry. That is so sweet. I like the reverse Nerf bar. Beautiful. That is really cool. '50 Chevy two-door coupe. Totally murdered over here, but looking so good. I can't say totally murdered. I'd say, yeah, what's funny is that when you drop them like this, it's one thing. Oh, I gotta catch that. Is that great? What a nice, nice, heavy, heavy multiple color metal flake. Really cool. A lot of originality over there. Dual spots. Great touch of pinstriping. What a profile. Look at this 51 shoebox. I'm not crazy with the gray, but this is working here. Total custom on the inside. Look at that chop job. What a roof line. That is cool. I like the idea with the black walls and the hubcaps, not wheel covers. Look at that exhaust, monochrome on the bumpers. Great details. The Frenching looks good.